Shivoham and welcome. Parvati Amma, Leena, Veena, Bridget, Shivoham and welcome. Kiran Katuria, Sudeep Bhargava, Atmatray, and Gaurish. Shivoham, welcome to the call. Ashok Mohan, Dasi, and who else? I can't see the rest of you. Welcome, Dasi, Ashok Mohan, Ashok Nichani, and the rest of you who I cannot see. Today we have an interesting subject, and the subject is, Administrator, what is the cause of depression? What is the cause of depression? Anybody wants to touch this
Shivoham,
subject?
Pranam Guruji.
Shivoham, Mataji, Kiran, boliye.
I think Shivam Pranam Guruji, the main cause of depression is when the person lives in ignorance. Then he feels the pain of the body, misery of the mind, and agony of the ego, and he is depressed when the things are not happening according to his will, wish, choice, and expectation. And then when he is dominated by others without any rhyme and reason, he is depressed. Then when he lives in he is depressed when he lives in fear. Then he suffers from worry, jealousy, everything, and then he is worried about past and future, not worried about present moment.
आपने तो पूरी किताबी पूरा किताब जितना पढ़ा आपने पूरे किताबी बातें बता दी. From A to Z आपने जितना पढ़ा है आपने बता दी.
When he is unsuccessful, monetary loss, then he is sad to such an extent he is ready to commit even suicide.
But Kiran, if you go to any doctor, they will not give all these answers. They will give different answers. Ashok Chotwani, yes, please.
Yeah. So, due to negative thoughts of mind, we feel anxiety, fear, and jealousy. Due to this, ego, thoughts of anger, and revenge. These are the main causes of depression. To free from depression, we should tame the mind or transit the mind, sir.
Thank you. I think all of you are you are passing my knowledge and you are going beyond me now. Okay, next. Who else would like to say something? Thank you. Shivoham Rajendra boliye. What is the cause of depression?
Yeah, so the cause of depression is many times desires unfulfilled.
What? Desires unfulfilled.
Unfulfilled desires. And even if we say that some people, they don't have the desire at all, but they are found to be depressed, then in that case, what I think is that they might be having some intentions in life. Even if not intentions. Yes, some intention. And when the intentions are thwarted, nothing happens as per the intention, then they start getting the upset. The root cause of upset is thwarted intention and unfulfilled desires. Even if the desires are not there, the intentions are there, and if they are thwarted, then upset will be born. And then when there are series of upsets, then the person is likely to undergo the depression. And of course, as we discussed yesterday, the root cause of depression is mind. And we need to...
So somebody triggered this as a question yesterday, right? Who brought out the question? I don't know. About depression. Who brought out the question? Administrator, you remember? Somebody brought...
No, I don't remember it.
Somebody brought the question on depression. And from last night, I started writing a new book on depression. And because I think it's such a serious matter that people are going through depression, but people don't understand the meaning of depression. Today, depression has become a big business in the world. You know, depression is a big business. Big business means there are clinics, doctors, medicines, therapies. Depression is a multi-billion-dollar business. If there's no depression, the world will lose billions of dollars because there's so much being invested in depression. But what causes depression? Anybody understands what is depression?
Sirji, Shivam, worries.
Shivoham, Ashok Nishani, bolo.
Worries cause depression.
Why do you worry?
All the worries.
So what happens? Explain to me what happens. Give me an example how your worry causes depression.
When things are not happening according to your choice,
Yeah.
and you get tension and worries.
So, okay.
So
So
you come
let's
into
move.
depression.
Thank you. Let's move forward. Sure. Who is it? Girish. Come on, Girish. Please tell me. Tell me, Girish. What
When
causes
I think-
depression?
When I think that success is happiness, and according to my own definition, I am not able to attain that success, and I start comparing myself to those who I consider as at a higher level, may cause depression on different levels.
Okay, good. What you all are saying is correct. But may I ask you a question, my dear friends? Why are we talking about this subject on this call? Why are we talking about this subject on the call of enlightenment, on realizing the truth? Why? Do you know why? Because depression is a big problem. I actually was introduced to this problem in a big way when somebody sent me an article that Deepika Padukone, the famous actress and rich Bollywood star, she came out openly and said that she is facing depression. That's what I read some articles. I hope it's not false articles. And I'm depressed. I'm depressed. What is this depression, my friends? What is depression? Depression is a state. Can a person who's depressed be happy? Sudip, can be happy? No. And Kiran Kathuria, she wrote whatever I want to write in the book. She already gave all the answers in the first opening statement. She gave the whole book. What I should be writing, she already dictated the whole book. So very good. So the point is this: depression is a state of unhappiness. Depression, you're right. You can be depressed for various reasons. People are saying you are depressed because somebody said you don't have success. Even Girish brought about some subject on when you have a fear of failure, you're depressed. When you have a loan that you cannot pay back, you are depressed because you say, how can I pay back the loan? You have a marriage that is not working, you are depressed. You have somebody whom you love and they die, you are depressed. If somebody leaves you, whom you care, who you want, you are depressed. If you lose your favorite mobile, you are depressed. You become depressed for anything. Some people, they put on weight, they are depressed. Some people, they lose weight, they are depressed. You are depressed because somebody said it correctly, because you are not able to meet your expectations. There's an expectation. You don't meet that expectation, you are depressed. Fear, somebody said the word fear. Fear causes depression. You can be depressed. Oh, you can be so depressed that the whole building in your whole building has COVID. COVID. Pure building mein COVID hai. Oh, you're depressed. You're so depressed. So, what causes depression? What is the cause? And more importantly, what we are trying to, the book I'm writing is called Overcoming Depression Without Medication. The book I want to write is Overcoming Depression Without Medication. Nowadays, Atmatre, what happened? Atmatre, somebody depressed, you go to doctor, what doctor will give you? Atmatre, you know or you don't know?
I don't know, sir.
He will give one tranquilizer.
Your doctor will give sedative.
He will give you one Valium or one tranquilizer. He will give you one tablet to put you to sleep.
Okay.
That is the best medicine that all the doctors give for depression. I hope you'll agree to that. He will just put you to sleep. Because what they believe that if you sleep nicely, morning you'll wake up, there'll be no depression. But do you agree with me that morning you wake up, there's no depression, or the depression comes back?
The depression is there.
Depression
Sir.
will not go. When you wake up from your sleep, will the depression be there or it won't be there?
It comes back.
It will be there.
Comes back. It comes back. So in this call today, we are going to overcome depression. In this call, we are trying to get to the enlightenment solution of depression. Why is somebody depressed? I told you, Kiran Kathuria gave, I don't know how many of you heard her answer. She went like Shatabdi Express. She went like that. But she gave many answers in her explanation. What is the cause of depression, my dear friends? You are depressed, she said it, because you are ignorant. Because there is no realization of the truth. You are ignorant that ye leela hai maya, kuch bhi sach to na, नाटक ये प्रभु का है एक ख्वाब जैसा. Do you know that ignorance of the reality of life, when there is no realization of the truth, oh, there's you are big time depression. It's big time depression. But the problem is, we don't know what is depression, or we don't know what causes depression. We are just living, and we are depressed, and we are unhappy, we are miserable, we are so upset. Yesterday I told a quote, right? How many of you caught that quote? How many of you caught that beautiful quote? Depression is when you get into the bed and put a blanket over your head and cry till you are dead. Huh? We made a quote yesterday. Depression. I don't know who gave the question. I don't remember who gave the question yesterday. I hope somebody will check. We have got no Facebook, so we can go back. But yesterday somebody asked a very amazing question on depression. And it became the topic of today's discussion. Because an enlightened person will not be depressed. What is there to be depressed? People are depressed because it's too much rain, you are depressed. There is no rain, you are depressed. When there is floods, they are depressed. When there is drought, they are depressed. What is the problem? The problem is that we are not living in Sat Chit Anand. The way out of depression is consciousness. The way out of depression is what somebody said, taming the monkey mind. I think again Kiran only said it. Bridget says it's an imbalance of hormone in the brain. Correct, Bridget? What is the cause of that imbalance of hormones? That imbalance of hormone is caused by the mind. The mind releases dopamine, serotonin. It is thoughts that release these hormones. What you're saying is correct. Doctors will tell you that it is a physical problem, but doctors are not able to understand what is the cause of that physical problem. Everything is to do with thought. Doctors will tell you, sleep nicely, watch cheerful movies. The doctor will prescribe, be with cheerful people, laugh a lot, be happy, pray to God. This is the medicine they give for depression. Am I right or am I wrong, Bridget? You know the subject, right? But there is a way out of depression without medication. When there's a realization that I am the soul, I am Atma, I am not the body. This body may be depressed. Go to hell, my body, I am not you. And when the mind tries to give depressing thoughts, you tell the mind, hello, you can't make me depressed. I'm happy. I am watching you, monkey. You're trying to be depressed, my monkey mind. You go to hell. I will not be depressed. You be depressed. I will not be depressed. Now, this is not easy unless you realize the truth. What happens when you realize the truth? You realize the truth that I am not depressed. I don't want to be depressed. I will not be depressed. How do you reach that state? You reach that state through realization of the truth. You reach that state when there is enlightenment. You reach, my people can be depressed. I'm telling you, I know multi-millionaires in this world who are depressed. They are depressed because their son started smoking. What happened, sir? We are having conference. We are having Forbes. Forbes has invited us for conference. We are taking cover page. He said, no, I'm not interested. My son has started smoking. I want to check why my son is smoking. Depressed. Another man says, oh, I have a big problem. Why? Because my daughter ran away with somebody. Depressed. The daughter's adult. She's over 21 years old. He can do nothing about it. The doctor's gone. He's depressed. True or false, my dear friends? And then the doctors will say, Bridget, that depression is caused by genes. It is your genes. Okay? They don't understand. It's the same. There was a small experiment. If two children born to the same parents, if they take one child and transport it to another parent in another country, the child doesn't come up as per the genes. It's not nature, it's nurture. It is nature versus nurture. So the child comes up depending on the surroundings. The surroundings of how the child's upbringing is more important. So, my dear friends, today we are touching a very important subject, and the subject is depression. Depression means misery, unhappiness. Why are we depressed? What causes depression? You know what causes depression? Here's the answer now. Kiran Kathuria, here's the answer. In short, depression is caused by the mind. Depression is caused by the mind. The solution, consciousness. The moment there is consciousness, the mind is switched off. Yesterday somebody spoke, no? He said, no. When the night is going, I think Atmatra spoke. When the night is going, the morning is coming. Yesterday we spoke, right? When the mind is going, consciousness is coming. When consciousness is going, mind is coming. So this is the way to overcome depression. Administrator, question answers. We have this interesting subject on depression, but anybody can ask any question on Ask Here. Go ahead.
I don't have a live questionnaire right now.
Okay. You
yes, sir.
typed question.
Question.
Yes. Tell me, Atmatra.
Sir, I have read somewhere, मन के स्वामी नहीं साक्षी बनो.
मन के स्वामी नहीं साक्षी बनो. So what does it mean?
What is mean? I think so. हम कहते हैं कि मन को कंट्रोल करना है. मन हमारे है कि नहीं? तो इंद्रिया हमारे ताबे में चाहिए. मगर some saint has said the स्वामी नहीं, मन के स्वामी नहीं.
Why your man is going after all these dialogues? why your man is finding all these dialogues and trying to understand which Swami is telling which dialogue? You yourself have become a Swami now. Why you are running after so many Swamis now? You have reached a state of enlightenment at your doorstep. You have the whole subject clear in front of your eyes. Now, what I don't know exactly what he is trying to say. Man ke Swami nahi sakshi bano. Sakshi means become the witness. What does he mean by Swami? I don't know what he means by Swami. Does he mean God? Does he mean, what does he mean? Man ke Swami nahi. What does he mean? I don't, because it can have so many interpretations.
Yeah.
But what we must do, we must not be the follower of the mind. Means don't follow the mind, witness the mind.
Yeah.
Because Atmatra, if you follow the mind, you'll be depressed. You'll start saying, now why I retired, now what to do, now I have no job. You know, some people who are retired, Atmatra, when you retired?
Just 2-3 months.
Some people who are retired become in high depression. You know that?
I have heard.
You have heard. You know why? Because they don't know what to do. The mind is empty mind is devil's workshop. They were busy before. They were busy having work, meeting people. Some people who are retired are the happiest people in the world. Why they are the happiest people? Because now they are free. Now they go, they learn to play guitar, they watch the sunset, they have a cup of coffee, they are going to the old age homes and serving the poor people.
Right.
So how come one set of people are depressed and one set of people are very happy? Both are retired. Because one is caught by the mind.
Yeah.
And the second is remaining in the consciousness. Satchit Anand. So if anybody in this group wants to overcome depression, You don't need a
Ah.
doctor. You don't need a doctor. You need silence. You need consciousness. You need a guru, not a doctor.
Correct.
Because a person who has got a good guru, very
Ah.
little chance of them being depressed unless they're not following the guru's advice.
Hmm.
So I know my guru, he was giving solution to many people on how to
Correct.
overcome depression.
Yes.
There were many people who would come to my guru, and my guru would make them laugh. And of course, they would go back and they would again go back into depression because they were not going in talash. They were not finding out enlightenment of the truth.
Hmm.
But for example, there's, Bridget is in Quebec. And now that day, Bridget, she said she's going to translate a bhajan. Now she has made the bhajan in French.
Very good.
She has already translated the bhajan in French, and now she wants to produce the bhajan in French. So there's a chance of depression. There is no chance of
You will
depression
have
because
to sing this Benjamin in French. You have to sing this Benjamin in French.
okay. But she already translated and she said, I sang and sent back to her how the song should come in French. So now she has to sing it. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
my friends, any more questions?
I have a type question, Ed,
Yes.
from Shiva.
Yes.
How do you achieve the highest state of spirituality?
There is no highest state of spirituality in that sense, but spirituality is the journey of enlightenment, of realization. When you go to when you're talking about the highest state, it is that point when the light comes on. Ting tong, the light comes on. What is the highest state of spirituality? When you first realize, I'm not this body. Many people are realized I am not the body, but they are reborn as mind and ego, me. Many people are coming back in this world again and again. They're doing good karma. Many people think our job is to do good karma. Even the guru tells them, guru tells, you do good karma, you do good karma, you do good karma. Okay, you do good karma, you will come back. You will come back. You want to come back, you do good karma. You want liberation? You want God? You want nirvana, moksha, mukti, salvation? Then you have to realize, I am not the body, point one. I am not mind and ego, me. This is what they explain in the Katha Upanishad. I am not the mind and ego, me. There is no karma. Why can't, my dear friend, you say, what is the highest level of spirituality? To understand, I have a nose, I have eyes, I have ears. I have seen the picture of my brain, my heart. Where is the mind? Have you ever seen photo of the mind? Have you ever seen picture of the mind? Have you ever seen the drawing of ego? Whose ego? Where ego? No, mind and ego is Karana Sharir. It is avidya. It is the cause of our ignorance. It is the cause of our rebirth. Highest level of spirituality is to realize I am not the body, I am the soul. I am not the body, I am the soul. To realize this is our ultimate goal. Will you remember this by heart? It's very simple. I am not the body, I am the soul. To realize this is our ultimate goal. That's it. There is no mind ego. It doesn't exist. But immediately the mind will come and tell, hello, but I am there, no? Why you are telling I don't exist? I am there now. Why you are telling? The mind, immediately mind will come back and say, hello, I am here. I am your mind. I am the ego. You are caught. Immediately you are caught in the mind and ego, and the chakra continues round and round and round and round. You go round and round, death and birth and death and birth and death and birth, because you don't realize the truth. I am not the body, I am the soul. To realize this is my ultimate goal. You should remember, this should become your mantra. Today I'm giving you all a new mantra. What's the mantra? I am not the body, I am the soul. To realize this is my ultimate goal. This becomes your mantra, nothing else. Okay, next question.
Kiran Katuria.
Kiran, follow Kiran.
Pranam Guruji, if the
Pranam.
person is depressed, how the parents, near and dear ones, and friends can help a person to come out of depression?
Let me explain to you. Now, suppose somebody in our family is depressed. Correct? We can make out they are depressed. You understand? We can make out they are depressed. They don't
Yes.
like it. If you make coconut ka mithai also, what you make that matti, whatever you make anything for them to eat, will they be happy to eat? They'll say, nahi, man nahi lagta hai, nahi chahiye, nahi chahiye, nahi chahiye. Correct? They don't want to eat anything. You make lassi, you give Coca-Cola, you give anything. They don't want to. You tell them, let us go for movie. They say, I don't want to go for movie. Right? Or they are not interested in doing anything because their mind is producing toxic gas. Their mind is producing toxic gas. And this is what Bridget told. Doctors are thinking that toxic gas is some chemicals in the body. Yes, that chemicals in the body is caused by this toxic gas in the mind. If there was no toxic gas, there would be no chemical in the body. Now, there are two ways of changing. One way of changing is that person themselves must do a jump inside. It's called they must do a what they call reverse jump in. They must transform inside from NEP to PEP. If they transform inside, then they can be cheerful. They can come out of depression, but very difficult. So normally a guru, somebody who can help them to reach that state of consciousness, somebody who can help them to understand, why are you depressed? What are you? No, I'm worried. What am I worried about? No, what if my son fails in the exam tomorrow? Okay, if he fails, nothing to worry. No, he'll fail. He will repeat the class. No, that I'm worried if he repeats the class, then he will be older to all the other students. Okay, if he's older to other students, okay, what's the problem? No, they will not agree. They will not agree. They want to be depressed. You agree, Kiran? You agree or you don't agree?
Yes, I agree.
They want to be depressed because they have chosen the depression.
I think they find some reason or the other reason for depression.
They don't find. The mind is doing it.
Yes.
They don't. You think that any sensible person would like to be depressed?
No.
No sensible person wants to be depressed, but the mind does it. And we don't know that we are different from the mind. Because we don't know we are different from the mind, we think we are depressed. Deepika Padukone says, I am depressed, she says. Nobody told Deepika Padukone, you are not depressed. Your mind is depressed. No, but she has not been able to understand that. If she understands the difference between me and my mind, and you try to realize that, damn it, mind is an illusion. It doesn't exist. I want to be happy. See, now let me tell you the spiritual angle of it. Will a spiritual person be depressed?
No.
Why they will not be depressed?
Because they know the reality that they are soul, not body, mind, and.
जो भी होना है होने दो ना. Let anything happen. Let anybody die. Let any money go. Let anybody become sick. A spiritual person, nothing matters to a spiritual person. A spiritual person knows that it's a drama. One day the board will say the end. Show khatam ho gaya. Out ho. Get out. Time ho gaya. But the spiritual person understands, but the non-spiritual person doesn't understand. Sudeep, are you getting the point or you're not getting the point, Sudeep? You have any comment on this, Sudeep? You have any comment?
Yes, sir. I had written one on the chat window because I believe that depression can be caused when we try to control the factors which are otherwise uncontrollable. So I believe that is one thing that can result in the depression. That was my understanding.
There are many more things.
There could be many reasons. We have been discussing it for last almost half an hour. So there might be many reasons.
I'm asking you, is the solution right? Do you think the solution is right, or you have a doubt on the solution?
No, solution is this only, sir. We have to, understand that we are not the mind, because it is ultimately the mind which is producing all these thoughts. So it's only the controlling the mind that will.
You cannot understand. You said we have to understand.
No, realization would be the right word.
We have to realize, because the moment you understand, that means you are back into depression.
True.
Realize when you realize it, you don't have to memorize it. When you realize
That's right.
it, when you realize it, you know it, you experience it. Okay, so Kiran, so Kiran, what you must do as a family, try to make that person spiritual. That is the best way.
Yes.
Make them attend our care session. Let them come here. Let them put their problems. See, actually, there is no reason to be depressed. Please understand the point. You are, as a person, you understand. Is there any reason to be depressed? किसी को मरना है मरने दो, किसी को आना है आने दो, किसी को जाना है जाने दो, सबको तो जाना है. Right or wrong?
Yes.
But
Right.
we don't realize, because we don't realize it, we are fearful. We are living in fear. Why we are living in fear, Kiran?
Because mind is producing such thoughts.
Because of avidya, the mind is mind is enveloping us with ignorance. Atmatray, you have any point to say on this? You agree or you have any doubt, Atmatray?
It is clear, sir. No any doubt.
Kumaraswamy, you have anything to add, Kumaraswamy, on this subject?
God's grace, I want to say that I have never got any type of depression. And I'm from so many years, I am a member of Happy Thoughts. They have teach me the joy. Suchitanand is in your heart only. That's why you are a source of joy and joy. That's why I'm never getting any depression.
You are in happiness club. That's why your mind is positive. When your mind is positive, there is no depression in the mind.
Yes, sir.
Which people are having depression? Whose mind has got negative thoughts?
Correct.
What is the solution to this? The solution is not positive and negative.
Okay.
The solution is Satchitanand. The solution is consciousness of the truth. That is
Correct.
a permanent solution. Okay. Yes, Kumaraswamy, anything to add, sir?
Sir, we can say these two self.
Actually, everybody, most of the people should follow the spiritual path. It will, I think so. If they come to spiritual path, automatically the depression will not be there, because there will be deep understanding will be there about that I am not a mind and body. So this is only happens in the spirituality only. So that is the only solution. Everybody should come to spirituality to avoid depression. That is my intention, sir.
Thank you. But that's why the world is so much depression. In the world, depression is not a small problem. Depression is a very big problem in the world. And people don't know the solution to it. Administrator, do we have a last question?
We have two questions here. One is from Rekha Parwani.
Yeah.
My question is, how can we help a teenager who is depressed?
By making the teenager understand what is the reason for your depression. By talking to the teenager, the teenager must get the realization. You must talk to the teenager to make them realize. Now, it sometimes is very difficult because they are so indoctrinated, they are so trained to be depressed. Therefore, right from a small age, this must be changed. But luckily, a teenager, according to me, can change. A teenager, if you talk to him well, if his right friends are there, maybe he's got wrong friends, maybe wrong physical habits, maybe he's into some bad habits which are causing that body condition to cause depression. Some children are smoking, some children are taking drugs. That condition to come out of depression is very difficult because the body condition is such, the mind is not able to function. So it's very dangerous. But I think, Rekha, that if we make an effort and also satsang, bring the children to question and answer sessions like this, take the children to a bhakti sangeet, change the friends of the child to have happy, pure friends, that all this can change the aura, the environment. The mind must change. The mind of the child of 13 years must change from negative to positive. And realization of the truth. A 13-year-old can easily realize the meaning of life, of death, of reality, why we are fearing, what is the mind, bring spirituality into their life. Thank you. Next, last question.
Ashok Mohan.
Ashok Mohan, yes, your question, please.
Guruji, I think the main cause of the depression is that once we get identified with the material things, then there's a chance that we will get depressed. Likewise, if we think that we are our body, or I got 6-pack abs, then there is a chance that you will get depressed, because as you age, there is a chance that you will get depressed. Like Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, you enjoy the world fully, but never get attached to anything. I think if you get attached to any of the material things, then that is going to expire someday or another. So you will get depressed in future.
Yes, what you say is correct. See, but the moment you become the master of the mind, then you will not be attached. The moment you're master of the mind, then you will not have any expectations. The problem is we human beings, my dear friends, let me conclude with this understanding. The cause of our depression is ignorance. The cause of our depression is only we realized, okay, there's the problem, so what? I understand there's the problem. You can only do what you can do about it. Suppose today I get a warrant that I have to go to jail. Okay, so what to do? No, I have to go to jail. So what? Why am I going to jail? What is the cause? How can the solution? But if I get panicked, if I get fearful, if I get depressed, if I get upset, if I start worrying, I cannot find a solution to it. I cannot face it. And I will die out of depression. Many people die out of depression because they don't see, even if you go to jail tomorrow, what is the worst can happen? What is the worst? The worst is you will die. Anyway, you have to die, no? Anyway, you have to die. So what's the big deal? When you are ready to accept the worst, then you are able to overcome depression. You have to be able to say, what is the worst that can happen? Can I deal with it? Yeah, I can deal with it. Then there is no depression. The mind makes us believe we cannot deal with the problem. The mind makes us believe that the problem is unsolvable. The mind makes a mountain out of a molehill. So therefore, put your problems in proper perspective. If the problem is small, don't bring it close to the eye. It look big. Keep the problem far away. And most important, my dear friends, if you are on the spiritual path, there is no chance of depression to overcome you. When you realize you are the Atma, you are the Paramatma. When you realize everything is Maya, everything is Leela. When you realize that God lives in the temple of your heart, when you realize Shivoham, Shivoham, you yourself are the divine. When you realize Aham Brahmasmi, Neti, Neti, Tattvamasi, when you realize Neti, Neti, I am not this body, I am not this mind, then who is depressed? There is nobody who is depressed. It is all Maya. It is all an illusion. Let us realize this truth. I bow down to you for this call and look forward to see you tomorrow. Shivoham, Shivoham.